Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to synchronize your Google Calendar with the iOS calendar or Apple iPhone calendar. So the first thing to do, you can open your iPhone or you can open your device settings. Here support.google.com give us guide how to synchronize or how to add Google Calendar events to the Apple calendar. Next, the second step, scroll and tap calendar on device settings, tap accounts and add accounts, add your Google accounts, enter your email address and next, and enter your password. If you don't have the latest operating system and you use two-step verification, enter an app password instead of your regular password. Again, you can tap next. 7. Emails, contacts and calendar events will now synchronize directly with your Google account. To synchronize only your calendar, you can turn off the other services. Open the calendar app on your iPhone to find your Google Calendar events. To synchronize with an existing account, tap the account and turn on calendars. And also Google Calendars feature that don't work on Apple Calendar are email notification for events, create new Google Calendars, and room scheduler. Feel free to try to synchronize your or add Google Calendar event to your Apple Calendar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.